Hello, my name is Cody Watson, and in this video I will be demonstrating how to use DeepMutation, a neural mutation tool. DeepMutation is based on the idea that the perfect mutant is the buggy version of some piece of code, and mutation operators should be inspired by real bugs and developers' changes. We know that a bug fix implies a developer has transformed buggy code into its fixed code. Therefore, mutation should occur by taking that code in the reverse direction. What we mean by this is taking fixed code and transforming it back into its previous buggy version. DeepMutation relies on a machine translation model that was trained on thousands of these real-world bug fixes to translate fixed code into its buggy version. Here we provide a quick overview of our approach. Methods are extracted from the system, abstracted to reduce vocabulary and maintain a good representation, mutated to generate the appropriate mutants, translated back into raw source code, then compiled and tested in the system for which they were designed. Here we show DeepMutation's GitHub repository, which contains the source code and environment that DeepMutation needs to properly execute. For convenience, we've already downloaded the tool onto our machine, and we'll also run our environment script to ensure that all environmental components are properly installed. Before running DeepMutation, the user should examine the configuration file to determine the proper paths and other parameters are set correctly. In particular, the number of beams for beam search can be set to generate multiple mutants for the same method of source code. Now we can run the DeepMutation tool. For this video, we'll speed up this process. Now we can analyze the output folder, where we can see a number of important files. Methods.key contains the signatures of the original methods, methods.src contains the original source code of those methods, and methods.abs contains the abstracted version of those methods. The same type of files are generated for the newly created mutants. The only difference worth noting here is that mutants.src contains the translated mutants back into raw source code from their abstracted version. The mutant folder contains all the important information about the generated mutants. For example, the highlighted file is the original class of the system where the mutant was injected. Moving to that mutant's directory, we can see the original version of that method, the changed version, or the mutant, and the list of operations to get there. We can see that in this mutant, DeepMutation deleted this line in addition to swapping column index with column key. Thank you.